Take a ride in the 2024 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, compass. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Your new ride is just a phone call away.